the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything.
Alright, so here's our headliner. We have a original style black headliner that's in here. It's been marked down the center. We have put in all of our rods. When they were pulled out, they were marked. We've also cut out these so it clips in a lot easier to the ceiling, and then cut our reliefs off the end so that way we could have the ability to stretch the headliner over. So we are going to get this hopefully hooked up in here. We have the cutout for the dome light once we have it in there, and then we'll be moving on to stretching the headliner out.
Alright, as you can see right here, we're installing the headliner up. We'll be stretching it forward here and getting the headliner basically hung in there with the rods. We struggled with this for a little bit, but there'll be a lot of time lapse here coming up of us stretching the headliner from the front to rear and the sides, then also installing the side trim as well on the headliner.
Alright, as you can see, we got headliner in, we got sail panels in, still got to trim the top flap back there, but have visors, mirror, we got the side corner beads in, still got to put the bead in around the window, and then we'll be getting the package tray shortly so I can get that set down on there and we can get that all figured out. So making progress, kind of slow, but we're getting there.